Today I'm going to discuss a solution that most people don't think about until it happens to them. A friend of mine gets a phone call on a Saturday morning. His offices are flooded. What's happened is the water was cut the day before. One of his staff members had opened up a tap and he forgot to close it. Water comes back on. Office is flooded. I think his staff member misunderstood when he said he wanted to have an office pool. All right, here are the three devices we're going to look at today. The SNZB-05P water leak sensor detects tiny puddles, sends alerts. Detection cable clips on to extend the coverage along skirting, behind appliances and around geysers. It senses leaks along the length. And then finally, the eWeLink ball valve, when triggered, it closes the water supply. Normal case, leak to push alert to valve closes. If the internet is down at the moment of the leak, the scene won't run. Local control, iHost or Home Assistant, leak, valve closes even if the internet is down. Please note, if the Wi-Fi is down, it won't work. Wi-Fi and internet are not the same thing. Factors to consider. How critical is auto shutter for you? If a leak could mean major damage, downtime, or insurance pain, lean local. If it's a nice to have, not mission critical, cloud may be fine. How reliable is your internet? Rock solid internet? Cloud is simple, low cost start. Unstable internet? Go local. Options, cost and setup. Cloud eWeLink scenes. Pros, no extra hardware costs, simple and straightforward. Cons, if the internet goes down at detection, the scene won't fire. Best for lower risk areas, reliable connectivity. Go local with SONOFF iHost, works offline, easy setup for most people. Cons, extra cost, best for want local reliability without deep tinkering. And finally, go local with Home Assistant. Pros, works offline, very flexible. If you already have HA plus a Zigbee dongle, this is great. Cons, if you don't have HA, you'll need a Raspberry Pi or small PC, a Zigbee dongle, and there's a learning curve. Best for tinkerers or anyone that already runs Home Assistant. If you're wondering, that's a serious face, not a grumpy face. Right, let's move on to the quick decision guide. High stakes plus shaky internet, local, iHost, easy. Already running HA plus dongle E, Home Assistant. Lower stakes plus solid internet, cloud eWeLink scenes. Just a quick tip, whatever you pick, test monthly and consider a small UPS for your router, hub, and valve power, so the system can act when it matters. How this prevents flooding. Make two simple rules. If leak, close valve plus notify. If dry, open valve, send notification, fixed. So if someone leaves a tap open during a water cut, when the water returns, the sensor detects the puddle and shuts the valve off before it becomes a stairwell waterfall, a week downtime, damaged computers, and a higher insurance claim. Just a note on the sensor cable, it does take a bit of time to dry out, so you might need to remove the cable until it dries out to avoid the scene from triggering again and again. It runs off DC5V. It uses the 2.4 GHz band for Wi-Fi. It has a manual button to open and close. The speed to open and close is around about 18 seconds. The shell is made from flame retardant PC ABS. It operates within a temperature band of -20 to 50 degrees and humidity less than 80%. It has all the standard eWeLink app features and it works with Alexa and Google. Pair the SNZB-05P leak sensor. The SONOFF Zigbee bridge or the SONOFF iHost. Put the device in, add device mode. On the SNZB-05, press and hold the button down for 5 to 10 seconds until the red LED flashes. Home Assistant in ZHA or Zigbee 2 MQTT, click Permit Join. On the SNZB-05P, press and hold down the button for 5 to 10 seconds until the red LED flashes. Power and add the Wi-Fi water valve. Plug it into 5-volt DC power. Press and hold for 5 to 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. Add it to your eWeLink app. iHost will pull the device in via the eWeLink container. Home Assistant will pull the device in using SONOFF LAN. Add the detection cable, clip it onto the sensor, run it flat where the water would travel, and secure it with small clips and tape. Where to place? Under sinks, behind toilets, around geyser, water heaters, behind dishwashers, washing machines, under fridges. Run the detection cable along the likely paths. Thanks for watching, and don't wait for an office lake. All the products are in the description below. Please comment with the solution that best suits you, and I'll help you set it up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.